Hi, my name's Rich Harrington, and welcome to the Creative Cow Photoshop podcast. I want to show you a cool technique to quickly fix a bunch of pictures. To start, open up a photograph that's representative. Now, let's go to the Actions panel. Actions allow you to record several steps inside of Photoshop. To do this, make a new folder and just name it with your initials. Now, click to record a new action, and I'll call this Auto Fixer. Now, you can make an action for just about anything, but I'm going to use a filter that automatically fixes photographs with artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'll choose Filter, Skylum, Luminar Flex. And once this applies, we'll take advantage of the image-aware workspace. Now, with a quick drag of the Accent AI filter, it automatically fixes color, and the AI Sky Enhancer brings out some of the detail. I can also put a little bit of golden hour in for some warmth, and let's add a noise filter to clean up some of the image noise. There we go, and looks good. I can see the before and after with one click. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can easily add a new adjustment layer and choose from a bunch of creative presets down below. You see lots of options, and I'm going to pick this analog option here and just apply a cool digital film stock to give it a more filmic look, but back that off just a little bit for the blend. All right, there's my before and after. I like the fix, so I'll click Apply, and it sends it back to Photoshop. Now, once that's done, we'll just click Stop, and I got this auto fixer ready to go. Your action can include several steps or multiple filters run as well. It doesn't really matter here, just take advantage of the action to do the enhancement. Now what we're going to do is switch back to Bridge. I can easily select any of the photos that I want to fix. And then I'll choose to automate this by choosing Tools, Photoshop, Image Processor. You'll notice that we can choose what to process. In this case, it takes all the files that were selected in Bridge. I can decide what file format to make. For example, I can convert these all to TIFFs with less compression, or tell it to resize to fit to a specific dimension. And down here, you can run the action. So I'll choose my folder and select the Auto Fixer. That works pretty well. You can even select a new location if you want to store these. So, for example, I can just make a new folder here and call these Repaired. Now I'll click Run. Each picture opens up and the image is going to be enhanced using that auto repair action, which fixes color, contrast, and tone and applies the digital film look. It then closes it and goes to the next picture. This process is completely automated and makes it easy to fix several pictures at once. By using a filter that takes advantage of artificial intelligence and the fast batch processing command here in Photoshop, it's possible to select multiple pictures and quickly process them. If I switch on back to Bridge, you'll notice that those are easily being moved into this repaired folder. And as each picture is getting enhanced, it will just drop it into the folder and add it into the collection. There's the TIFFs, and we see each example. Very cool, and it will continue to move through, adding each picture into the mix. You can walk away, and the system will run on its own, or switch on over to another application and work there. All right, my name's Rich Harrington for CreativeCow.net. I invite you to head on over to the Creative Cow website, where you'll find lots of great training and inspiration for the tools you love. And a big thanks to our partner, Luminar Flex, which is a super cool plugin for Adobe Photoshop. I invite you to check it out. Thanks for watching.